Okay, today we're going to make our super lazy chicken Kiev. I got some butter and about 75 grams of butter. Chop that up a little bit and I'll put it in my glass here. Because this is super lazy chicken Kiev, we're going to use already chopped garlic, about 1 spoon of it. I'm also going to get some chives. I'll add about a spoon of this as well before mix it in. There's our sauce. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to pop this in the microwave for about a minute to melt everything. I hope my glass is microwave safe. I'm going to be using an already roasted chicken we just bought already cooked. Okay. Now we have our sauce. Beautiful. Now we have our trusty meat injector here. With you want a big end on it so it doesn't get stuck, the garlic or the chives. Suck it up. Oh yeah. Inject that baby. You can see it just oozing out all over the place. It's pure flavor, baby. Get some under the skin there. Woo. Oh no, it's leaking. Oops. That can happen. So you can see the chicken is oozing in that garlicky butter, and that is going to be awesome.